Charan! What's up guys, this is CJ Estrada and welcome back to my channel. So it's Sunday here at Grand Rapids and the weather isn't that nice. It's still gloomy, but that won't stop me to go somewhere else, explore, because 2 weekends in a row I was just here at the hotel doing editing stuff and trying to catch my backlog, but now I only have a few more backlogs to do. I can't wait to explore the city because people are saying that Grand Rapids is it's a beautiful city, it's a beer city, and I would love to go to the downtown, not to go to the beer houses because I don't want to spend a lot of money with that, and I already had enough beer from past weeks with my office mates, because after work we go to the bars we go to beer place and have a happy hour or drink beer, have some steak, have burgers and all. So right now is Sunday and I don't have anything to do because I'm not in the mood to edit, and even though the weather is gloomy, but that won't stop me from exploring the city. So I'll be going to downtown. Let's go! And 3, 2, 1. Whew. What's up guys? So I'm here now at the downtown here at Grand Rapids, Michigan, and I'm right here beside Rosa Pork, and there's some program out there. So it's like fellowship, I don't know, but I haven't really checked that, but I thought that it's a big city. It is nice here, but I don't see a lot of people walking, so I'm not really used to this one, but let's see how it goes. Woo! So I'm gonna show you guys around downtown Grand Rapids. Let's go! Well guys, I don't see a lot of attractions here because I think it's Sunday and less people going here around the city, I mean the downtown. So I think I'm just following the offline map Sesame, so I think I should go to the river park because it's where the Grand River is. So there are actually a lot of museums around downtown, but they are almost closed because today is Sunday and they have entrance fees and I cannot afford to go there. Actually, I'm just saving up my money. Wait, let's go. Go. I'm just saving up my money for something, so I just want to check and explore the downtown, and they have pretty buildings here. It's really good. It looks really good, and it's not that crowded, even though there are a lot of buildings here. And so I don't know where to go, so I'll just have to explore and see what's in here. Yeah, so let's go continue the B-rolls. Inside, but decided not to go because I want to go to Riverside Park, the actual Riverside Park, which is around, I think it's far from here, so I think I have to walk for an hour. I want that because it's free and I don't have to spend money. Okay, like and subscribe and share, peace and love.
I could stay like this, forever following you. Just don't get too far.
I would love to go to the bathroom, but I cannot find any public bathroom, so I'm just gonna hold it until I get back to the hotel or until I find somewhere to do my thing. And I love the lighting here because I am so white, especially with this black jacket courtesy of Aldrin Cormo Spit. Come on! What's up guys, so I'm now back at Rosa Park, so it's not that far. Seems like the program's still there, and it's almost 4 p.m. and I have to go back to the hotel because I have to do editing. I have to prepare for tomorrow's work. So tomorrow's gonna be Monday, and it's gonna be the last full week I'll have here at Grand Rapids because I'm going home July 4th and it's Wednesday next week. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I hope you enjoyed it. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe and share peace and love. See you Philippines. Dili pa day. Napa ko'y 1 week up in to go back to the Philippines, and I can't wait to go home. Bye.